If you are tired in your spirit, this is for you. Being spiritually drained doesn't mean you're weak. It means you've been fighting battles. Sometimes we think we need to pray harder, do more, push more. But what you really need is rest in God. God never asks you to carry everything on your own. He said, "Come to me, all who are weary." Take a moment today. Be still. Talk to Him honestly. You don't need perfect words, just a real heart. Let God refill you. You don't have to stay empty. Thanks for listening. God bless you. Join me. God bless you.